In this video, I'm going to be describing how to use the Share This View tool in OceansMap. So the tool is located here in the top right, but in order to show this tool, I'm first going to set up a scenario in OceansMap. So I'm going to turn on Chesapeake wave height and direction and zoom the map into an area here. Now, if I'm the user and I like this specific scenario, I want to save it. I want to bookmark it or send it to a colleague or use it as a hyperlink in a report or an email. What I can do is I can use this Share This View tool. If I open this, it opens this drawer on the right. Now on the top we have the Create URL button. What this will do is it will create a custom URL for this specific scenario in OceansMap. And if the user takes this URL, copies it, and pastes it into a new tab, OceansMap will open not to the default view, but to the exact view that we're looking at right here. Now the user can customize this URL with these sections here on the bottom. So by default, they're turned on. So this map view with it turned on will always open to this specific zoom level and the specific view of the map that we're looking at. But if the user just wanted the scenario to open to the default map view, they could turn that off before they create the URL. So typically, and then same with the layers section here, with this turned on, it will always show this wave height and wave direction layers. But if the user doesn't want to show these, they can turn this off. Typically these are left on for the Permalink tool, but one that is often toggled on and off is this time section here. So by default, if the user leaves the time turned on, the scenario will open with the time that's displayed on the map when the URL was made. But for example, if the user would like to open this scenario, but always open to whatever time it is that they're opening the link, they can turn time off. So now this permalink will not save the fact that this was made September 25th at 1 p.m. It will always open this scenario, but at whatever time the link was opened, it will load the data for that specific time. So if I go ahead and hit Create URL and copy this and paste it into a new tab, you can see that OceansMap will open not to the default view, but to the view at which we just made that permalink. So you can see we have the same level of zoom, the same portion of the map showing, and then we have that wave height and wave direction load in on the map.